Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this yummy veggie roll. Fast food standard. Yes, you heard me, fast food standard. I guess you haven't heard about this veggie roll before, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This yummy treat is very delicious. Guys, you're welcome back. I will start by mixing our dough. So you go in with your 4 cups of flour already sieved. Please sieve your flour. It's very important to sieve your flour. Always sieve your flour. Go in with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Now if you notice, this is the same mixture with our chicken pie, meat pie and fish pie. Now add your 250 grams of butter and rub it in until crumble. Now that is to say, the veggie roll mixture is the same as your meat pie, your chicken pie and your fish pie dough mixture. All of them are the same. And this is fast food standard meat pie dough mixture. Now once it's okay, you can see it somehow crumble. You make a well and add your chilled water. I said chilled. Ice water is best if you can find one, but if you can't, you can use a chilled water. Then go in with your vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Vinegar is the game changer. It changes everything. Vinegar, breaks down the gluten in your flour. That is why your meat pie, your fast food meat pie is very soft and flaky crust. So it's the work of vinegar. So vinegar is the game changer. Always add vinegar if you want to get that type of softness in your meat pie, in your veggie roll, in your chicken pie. Please do not knead your dough. It's not bread dough that you begin to knead. Don't knead your dough. Just combine it gently. Then after that, put it in the fridge to rest for like 5 minutes. Once you're done mixing your dough and your dough is already resting in the fridge, go ahead and prepare all your veggies. Start by cutting any veggies of your choice. Start by cutting your cabbage. You can also use a grater to grate your cabbage. Cut it into tiny pieces. Once that is done, grate your carrots. Chop your green beans. Dice your onions. Now this is veggie roll. It's a combination of veggies. So you can decide to add any veggies of your choice. You can add red bell pepper, green bell pepper if you want. It's a combination of veggies. So you can add any veggies at all. Any veggies that you want to add to it. Go ahead and add any veggies of your choice. But for this tutorial, we'll be using cabbage, carrots, green beans. So you can decide to add peas. You can decide to add red bell pepper, green bell pepper. You can decide to add sweet corn. All of them are veggies. So use this grater to grate your carrots. Now grate your ginger, or you can pound your ginger. You can also cut it. You can cut your ginger too if you want. So look at the veggies. Look at our veggies for this veggie roll tutorial. Now we'll start by making our veggie roll sauce or veggie roll filling. Now place a frying pan or a pot. Add some quantity of oil. Go in with your onions, your ginger, and your fresh pepper. Very little pepper. Spice it up with seasoning cubes and salt. If you like, you can add other seasoning at this point. So go ahead and fry it a little. Then add your green beans and carrots. Fry a little for like 2 seconds. You're not going to over fry your veggies. Just gentle frying. Don't overcook your veggies. Now add your cabbage. stir very well to combine. Stir for like 2 seconds again and check if it is tasty. Then your veggies, your veggie roll sauce or veggie roll filling is good to go. So you can see to add the filling to the dough. So go ahead and cut it out, roll it out with your rolling pin, trim the edges, add your filling and fold it back. It's that easy, very easy to do. If you have watched up to this time, it means that you love my video. Please don't hesitate to like, subscribe and share. Share to your friends that might need this tutorial. Share to them to help them. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please click the subscribers button, turn on the notification bell so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos daily, if not daily, at least 4 times a week. So don't miss out on these educative videos. You will love them. You will love them. Thank you for watching. To my fans, you guys are the best. Thank you for always watching my content. God bless you. I really appreciate this. Thank you very much. Please, if you're coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe And go to the comment section and comment. If you have subscribed to my channel, tell me that you have subscribed so I can come to the comment section and give you a welcoming hug. It's fun in this community. Please join our community, be part of us. I will really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please subscribe. Subscribe, okay? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Don't forget to comment on the comment section that you have subscribed, that you are a new subscriber. Please, I will really appreciate this. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video, please. So I use 500 grams of flour to make both my veggie roll, my meat pie, and my chicken pie. You can also use it and make your fish pie. So just note that fish pie, chicken pie, meat pie, veggie roll, their dough mixing are the same. It's the same mixture. Just know that it's the same mixture. But a fish roll is a different mixture. Do you understand? Fish roll is a different mixture. It's a different dough mixture. So just get that into your head. Meat pie mixture, though, meat pie, fish pie, chicken pie, and veggie roll, they are the same mixture. Their dough mixture are the same. Do you understand? So after brushing it, send it to your oven. Make sure your oven is already preheated. Now see the end results. And this is time for tasting. Come and have yours. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Thank you very much. Bye.